Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for office supplies business easy and quick. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here you have to do, you have to start for free. So get started. Let's get started. Now it will take you to the dashboard. Okay, so as you see here, this is the dashboard. uh, Here you're gonna set up your website in the storefront. So click here, set up your website in the storefront, and it will take you to the editor page, here where you're gonna customize and design your home page. So click on the settings and click on the templates and select the templates you want to use. So for this topic, I think I'm gonna use this one here for the gadgets. So the first thing here you have to do, you have to go and change your site name, your company name. Okay, now go back and let's move on to this part. Here you can manage the navigation menu, the shop and about section, the contact section. Also you can add the menu item, the title, and you can add action on click. So let's go back. Also here you can, if you want to add the contact information, your phone and your email, and the social profiles. And in the design of any section you have to try your best to make your site look attractive to anyone can visit your site and attract to your business. So don't forget the simple details like the font and the size, okay, and the color. Also you can add the frame outline like this to make it more attractive, um, and the background. Okay, so that's it. Now let's go back, let's move on now to the next section. You can, here you have to add the tagline, the title. Okay, for example, the title, you can introduce your business. Welcome to our site for office supplies. Okay, if you want to change this description you can change it. The image, go to the browser and select one of these images here. Okay, so go here and select one of these images here. So for example this one. Okay, I'll go back and open. So as you see, this is your image uploaded here. That's it. In the design you can choose your favorite one, your favorite layout. Okay, for me I'm gonna choose this one. So as I said, don't forget the simple details. Okay, now let's go back, let's move on now to the next about section. So here you can enter the subtitle, and here in the description you can use this space to talk about your experience or your service and why should your customers buy from you or use your services. And the same thing here in the design, nothing special here. Just choose your favorite layout, and you can change the background color. Okay, now let's go back and let's move on to the next section, the store section. So here you have to create your own product. So go back to the dashboard and click here, add your products or services. Okay, now click new product, and here you have to add the products gallery. Okay, go to the browser and select one of these images here. So for example I'm gonna select this one or this one, it's better. Okay, here you have to add the product gallery. You can add 3 more or 4 more, whatever you like. Here you can add the name of your product, the REF, the weight on kilogram, and you can customize the prices options, and don't forget the description of your product. So that's it. Now if you're done from here, go back to the editor and complete here the design of the background and the title, and the product name, the product image, the product price. That's it. Now let's go back, let's move on now to the next section. Also here the same thing, add the tagline, the title, and an attractive description that match the title. And also you can change the image. Okay, so if you want to change the image, just from the browser or from your library. So in the design, choose your favorite layout here. So nothing special here, just the same thing as normal. Now let's go back, let's move on now to the next section, the customer reviews. So as you see here, you can add the review, you can add the review text, the author name, and the rating. Also you can add, you can choose your favorite layout, like the same thing as normal here. So let's move on now to the next section, delivery information. So nothing special here, the same thing as normal. Of course you have to change the description and the subtitle. You can add your subtitle and add more details. And here choose your favorite layout, like the same thing. Now let's go back and let's move on now to the sale information. So change this image. Okay, and the description, you have to change it. Also the design, choose your favorite layout here, and that's it. Now let's go back. So as I said, don't forget the simple details, don't forget to design the background and the title and the description and the font. Now let's move on to the contact section. Here you can use this one here, description. We are always happy to see you. Okay, here you have to add your business address. You can enter the exact postal address or the plus code. Here you have to enter the daily hours. Yeah. So here you can add the social profiles, the contact information, and design. Choose your favorite one. Of course, for me, I'm gonna choose this one. It's more clear and more attractive than the other ones. Okay. Now let's go back, and the last section here, the footer section. Enter your company name for the copyright. And that's it. If you want to add something new, you can just click here, add section. You can select what kind of sections you want to add on your home page. So that's it. If you're done from here design your website, you can just publish your website and you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.